सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Chapter 3, verse number 14. अन्नाद् भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यादन्नसम्भवः यज्ञाद् भवति पर्जन्यः यज्ञः कर्म समुद्भवः। Lord Krishna advised Arjuna to perform his duty, that is, fighting in the Kurukshetra Yuddha. Kshatriya duty, that is Arjuna's duty. Similarly, the whole humanity also has to perform their own duty. Whole humanity. The performance of one's own duty alone brings maturity in the person's mind. The performance of one's own duty, family duties, social duties, duties towards oneself also. Taking care of the body is also a duty. So it brings that upliftment in one's life. So therefore Bhagavan said, perform all your duties, because these duties are prescribed by the Lord Brahmaji at the time of creation. We may get a doubt why we have to perform our duties. Why I have to perform my duty towards my father, towards my mother, towards my wife, towards my children, towards my husband. Why I have to perform? If that question arises in our mind, the Lord says, these duties are created by me at the time of creation through the Brahmaji. So our duties, once we are born with duties. We are not supposed to ask why I have to do. You are born, therefore you have to do. So therefore, Lord Krishna said, Sahayajna praja srishtva. By creating the people, along with the creation of the people, the duties are also yajnas, in the form of yajnas, panchamaha yajnas. Taking care of the environment where I am staying. The environment is nothing but 5 elements. So I have to take care of those 5 elements. I have to respect the 5 elements. First of all, I have to respect the Lord Sun, Moon, Earth, Water, Fire, Air, all. We have to worship and respect them. That's why they say, Apsu, no, in the water, Mutra Purisham na kuryat, they say. In the river water, we are not supposed to drop the urine or mutram and this all of ablutions and all, you are not supposed to finish in the river. You should not. Even na nishtiyet, you should not spit in the river also. Therefore, we have to sprinkle that water on our head before taking bath, before stepping into the river. We have to touch the water and sprinkle on our head, respecting the river. Because the whole health of the humanity depends on the water. Water contamination leads to many diseases. I need not explain that for you. All of us are experiencing that. So these are all said in Vedas. So how much they have taken care of. So Lord Krishna says, you worship those devas. All Panchabhutas are devas. You worship the Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, Varuna Devata. Varuna Devata means Jala Devata, water deity. If you worship all of them, Indra also, Devata Adhipati, they will help you. Devan bhavayatanena te devaha bhavayantu vaha. They will protect us. That's why we did sufficiently Varuna Japam. What Varuna did? He given plenty of water. So that Japam, whatever we have done, it will not go waste, it will come. We have propitiated the Varuna Devata. Varuna Devata has given plenty of water to us. Once water we get, only we will get that grains and all. So the Chakram he has given, mentioned. Once you fulfill their desires, they will fulfill your desires. Ishtan Bhogan Yo Devaha. That worshipping of those devas is like a Kamadhuk. It is like a Kamadhenu. Just as the Kamadhenu fulfill all your desires, this Yajnam, worshipping the 5 elements, your own duty you are doing, they all will give you whatever you desire. Once the air, pure water, sufficient food is there, no calamity, this type of drought won't come. People all can live happily. No theft also. So all people are prosper. There is no need of stealing. Everyone can live happily. So therefore the whole society can be sustained when I take care of the environment. I have to take care of the environment, all the 5 elements at macrocosm level. All jivas put together adhyatmam. All 5 elements put together adi bhautikam. Adi bhautikam. All the preceding deities behind these principles, they are called Adi Daivam. Adi Daivam at macrocosm level. Adhyatmam, all our bodies put together Adhyatmam. Each individual body is called Adhyatmam. This Adhyatma body and all 5 elements are Adhibhautikam. Every principle, there is a Devata behind it who is running the show. There is a Devata. Behind water, there is Jala Devata. Behind Agni, there is Agni Devata. Agni by itself is a matter, principle. Behind it, there is an controller who is functioning. That same way, in individual level also, those devatas are there. In Tattva Bodha we saw 5 elements are there. Adi Bhautikam is there in the body. Adi Daivam is there. Adhyatmam I am put together at micro level. Now, how can I deny the respecting the nature, the 5 elements? Tell me now. All the 5 elements whom I am worshipping, they are in me. This body is made up of them. Those devatas are blessing. Chakshur devata, Shrotra devata, Hasta devata, Pani devata, all are blessing me. Therefore I have to respect all devatas, all elements. Without them, where is this body? This is what where Krishna says. How can I deny them? We do not know how the ear is hearing. தெரியுறது என்னமோ அவ்வளோதான். That Indriya Devata is presiding invisible Devata. So respect that. Even that's why Kalidasa writes beautifully in Mangala Ashtakam. You should respect the trees. You should respect the rivers. He says beautifully that shloka runs like this. Very nice shloka. There are 10 shlokas. I will just read the 2 shlokas. See how the trees we have to worship. This Tulasi, Bilvam, the neem tree, all these are all herbal. Now Himalaya herbal medicines are all coming. No? All these medicines made up of herbs. They have tremendous Aushadhi Devata, Vana Devata. He says, Ashwadho Vata Vriksha Chandanataru Mandara Kalpadrumau. Many trees names you can understand. Chandanamanna, sandal. If you touch, apply to the body, how cool it is body. Ashwatha Vriksham, the banyan tree and Arasamaram, idellame, all these. Jambu Nimba Kadamba Chuta Sarala Vrikshascha Yekshirinaha. All these vrikshams, no? Trees, big trees, huge trees, gives plenty of things. Sarve te phala samyutah pratidinam vibhrajanam rajate. If you see the trees with few new leaves, fruits and flowers, how ahladam it is, how beautiful it is. That's why spring season, no, so attractive. Colorful flowers. All flowers fall down as though they are worshipping the Bhumata. It's like a carpet. Ramyam chaitra rathancha nandanavanam kurvantu no mangalam. So all these trees gives what? Oxygen first thing. What is our prana vayu? They are supplying. And we are cutting the trees and sitting in the AC rooms because no pure air. And these AC rooms are all producing lot of CRC something, chlorophora, something they produce, carbons. This fridge, all this refrigerator, AC, all these things produce chlorophora carbons. What they do, no? They go out and destroy this ozone layer. Ozone layer they destroy, that which is the ozone layer protect the ultraviolet rays, which comes from the meteorite, from the sun it comes. This ozone layer is protecting actually. நம்ம இந்த கார்பன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வெளியில் அனுப்பிட்டு and we are destroying this ozone layer, which is the protective layer of ultraviolet rays. Because of ozone layer diminishing, we are getting the effect of ultraviolet rays problem. These are all thought of by our great ancestors. So where we are now. Therefore, Kalidasa writes beautifully in his books about the nature only he writes all the time. Another about rivers he says, Ganga Sindhu Saraswati Chayamuna Godavari Narmada. So many rivers. Kaveri Sarayu Mahendra Tanaya Charmanvati Vedika Kshipravetravati Mahasuranadi Khyata Chaya Gandaki Purna Purna Jalai Samudra Sahita Kurvantu no Mangalam. All these rivers in different states, in different places, they are helping to thousands and thousands of people. So these are samples. Like this he has written on so many things. So therefore Lord Krishna finally comes as how this cycle chakram is taking place. Annat bhavanti bhutani. These human beings, if they neglect, ignore, first let them know where from they are coming. These bhutani, these human beings, where from they are coming? Annat bhavanti. They are all born of annam. How they are born of annam? Father has taken annam, amma has taken annam, that annam has converted into energy, that energy has taken into a form like a body, it has come out. That Prashnopanishad we saw elaborately. Then annam, where from it comes? He says, Parjanyat anna sambhavaha. 14th shloka we are seeing. Parjanyat anna sambhavaha. Annam sambhavaha means the food is available because of rain. Parjanyam. Then yajnat bhavati parjanyaha. The rain comes out of yajnam. When you perform this Varuna Japam is a yajnam. Varuna yajnam. We got plenty of water. Yajnat bhavati parjanyaha. No human being can create 5 cyclones continuously. No human being. They are trying to churn the clouds, they failed totally. Churning the clouds to get rain. See, the principle, the almighty power behind the 5 cyclones, you cannot imagine also. Incomprehensible. Incomprehensible. Very, very difficult to imagine also. So, Parjanyat anna sambhavaha annat yajnat bhavati parjanyaha. Where from this yajna has come? Karma samudbhavaha. This yajna is nothing but because of our karma. Our karma means our duties towards prescribed by the Lord. Karma means what? Those duties prescribed by the Lord. Karma samudbhavaha. Yajna is nothing but our own duty when we perform. Panchamaha yajnas. Yajna is the karyam, the product. Karma is the karanam. Karma is the karanam. Even Manu Smriti also says, Manu tells in that, Agnau prapta hutihi aditya mupatisthate. Agnau prapta hutihi. Once you put the ahuti in the Agni, oblations in the Agni, where it goes? Adityam. It goes to the Lord Sun. Aditya mupatisthate. Then what Aditya does? Taking everything oblations and sitting? No. Adityat jayate vrishtihi. That's why Lord Sun gives sufficient rain. Lord Sun alone is giving. Because he is only taking the water from the ocean. No one can create a single drop of water, new water. It is already there. Cycle. So therefore, Aditya jayate vrishtihi tatascha annam. From that vrishti, annam comes. Tataha, from that annam, prajaha. So Manusmriti also says the same thing what Bhagavan said in 14th shloka. So therefore, all these, why I have to follow actually? Then Lord Krishna says, next shloka, because we are all born of annam. Annam has come from because of vrishti. Vrishti, rain. Rain has come because of yajnam. Yajna has come because of karma. Enna idella or cycle chakram. Then Bhagavan says, what do you mean by karma? That karma also he is explaining. Next shloka. where from this karma one's own duty has born. And 15th shloka we will read. Karma brahmodbhavam vidhi brahmakshara samudbhavam tasma sarvagatam brahma nityam yagne pratishtitam. Karma brahma udbhavam iti vidhi. The first quarter of the first line. Karma means this sat karma. Whatever karma prescribed by the Shastra, everyday puja, going to temple, serving to people, taking care of parents, and worshipping all devatas, all these duties, Deva puja, Manushya puja, Pitru puja, Rishi puja, showing gratitude to all, to the whole universe, to the planets, allowing me to stay here in this universe for my survival. So I remember all of them and I show my gratitude. Is a form of karma. Brahmana does Brahmana duty, teaching. Kshatriya does it, Kshatriya's duty, administration. Law and order he maintains. Vaishya does his duty, business, agriculture. Because Brahmana, for food's sake, depending on Vaishya. Vaishya is depending for law and order on Kshatriya. Kshatriya is depending for knowledge on Brahmana. And Brahmana is depending on Kshatriya who is maintaining law and order. So everyone is depending on each other. Even Shudra also, he is helping to the whole humanity. ஒரு நாள் ஸ்கேவெஞ்சர் வரலன்னா தெரியும் நமக்கு. ரோடு கிளீன் பண்றவன் வரலன்னா என்ன பெரிய நம்ம படிச்சு என்ன பிரயோஜனம்னா immediately we complain. ரோடு கிளீன் பண்ணணும் வாங்கோ అని கூப்பிடணும். So those people are really devatas. We have to respect them. We have to revere them. God alone is coming. Otherwise, how can I survive? Can I walk on the road? If they don't come and clean, imagine over 10 days. Can we walk on the road? We cannot go out. But we forget totally how much in the drainage kulla poi paavam, how much they are struggling now. Which Narayana we want to see other than him? I see Narayana in him only. Even if you go that side, you will close the nose. But that person goes inside the drainage and clean, making our life so comfortable. Kannula thanniye varum ivanikku paavam indha duty. Avanada mokshanam varum avanikku next janmalo. Ama doing his own duty. People, how many people are working for our sake like that? Knowingly, unknowingly, without our knowledge, so many people are helping us. That's why நமக்கு தெரியாத எத்தனையோ பேர் இருக்கா. அதுக்கு நமஸ்காரம் பண்ணணும் எல்லாருக்குமே. சர்வே ஜனா சுகினோ பவந்து, லோகா சமஸ்தா சுகினோ பவந்து. இப்படி எல்லாம் சொல்லணும் மனசுக்குள்ள. திருப்பி 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 சொன்னாதான் நமக்கு அந்த நிம்மதி சாந்தி. வாட் எவர் யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் யூ கேன் என்ஜாய். அப்படி பண்ணலன்னா என்னன்னு கூட சொன்னார் கிருஷ்ணர் லாஸ்ட் டைம். இஸ் ஏ thief, stenaha sahana. With an ingratitude person is a stenaha, thief. So therefore, that society is that which shows the gratitude, give and take policy. That person alone is a healthy person in the society. It says, karma brahma udbhavam iti vidhi. Brahma udbhavam means all religious actions, all our duties, religious actions, any vratam, any puja, any sort of ritual, any homa, any thing. In our house, what we perform, in temple we perform, in group, Rudrabhishekam, Samashti Parayanam, Samashti Namajapam, Sankirtanam, Bhajana, all these things, religious activities, all these are born out of Brahma, means here Veda. There is another name for Veda, it is called Brahma. We should not take Sachidananda Brahma here. Brahma Udbhavam is Veda Udbhavam. This karma is born out of Veda. Brahma means Veda. Purusha, how this Veda has come? Bhagavan has not said here. We have to understand. Purusha Ushvasa Nishvasavat. Just as the breathing coming out, the air is coming out from our nostrils, these Vedas came out of that Brahmaji. Paramatma, these Vedas came out like our Shvasa. How it is coming? Edavada kashtapadrama Shvasa, normal Shvasa. Simply it comes out. Like that, these Vedas came out from the Lord. Vedas came out from the Lord. Purusha Nishvasavat Samudbhutam. Just as the human breath comes out very easily, these Vedas come out from the Lord. How do you know Vedas came from the Lord? Have you seen it? It is available till today we are studying. It is available because of our rishis. We have to understand all these things. This yajna, karma, all these things, how can I know? Born out of Brahman, because it is available till today, visible, evident, because of our rishis, Vasishtha, Atri, Bharadwaja, Gautama, Vishwamitra, because of so many rishis received, they are all transmitters, centers. Just as your TV pick up that whole video, audio from the air, that center grasp everything and shows you the picture. Adhe madri the rishis, rishati, janati, iti rishihi. The one who received, receivati, iti rishihi. English lo pottukongo. Receivati, the one who received that and heard. We may question, Rishi heard Veda and therefore I have to follow. Question vandinde irukum. Rishi heard Vedas, therefore he brought it out. How he is able to hear? Because of his pure mind, tapas shakti, sankalpa shakti. Because of that he is able to receive that Vedas. He is like a pipeline. Veda is like a overhead tank, reservoir. And we are opening the tap, water comes. Water vanda santosham. Water varlena. Adhe madre, this tap connection irukume reservoir ku in that pipe ku keela nama open pannala ana that pipe open panna there what is the connection between this pipeline. Without pipeline reservoir la water is there, here you open is there, but connection is not there. Can you get water? What is the use of having reservoir full water? There is a pipe to open. What is the use? The whole purpose of reservoir is useful when there is a connection, pipeline. So every Maharshi is like a pipeline. And we are opening now. The Saturday class Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, cassette, CD, ellame putting. We are operating and getting. How we are getting? That pipelines like rishis helped us. They heard from that Akashavani, Veda, Brahma, Shabda, Brahman. They heard and they have given to us. So unique. That's why Veda is universal for whole humanity. That's why rishis are just revealed whatever is given by the Lord. They are not inventors. They have not invented the Veda mantras. they have discovered. Discovered means they are all there in the Akasha, just Shabda Brahma Rupena, they are there. These rishis removed the cover, they have taken that Shabdam and brought into to the students, other students. They taught to them. Vyasam Vasishta Naptaram Shakte Prauktam Akalmasham Parasharatmajam Vande Shukatatam Taponidham Vyasaya Vishnu Rupaya Vyasa Rupaya Vishnave. Up to here, no? Coming. Namaskaram for Adi Guru Namaskaram. But Pandano. Daily Pandana, all Gurus will bless us. Therefore, Brahmo Udbhavam iti Vidhi. Brahma, where from this Brahma Veda has come? Brahma Akshara Samudbhavam. Tasmat Brahma Sarvagatam Brahma. Sorry, first Brahma Akshara Samudbhavam. Karma Brahma Udbhavam. Okay, see the connection. Karma Brahma Udbhavam means Veda Udbhavam. Veda Akshara Udbhavam. Akshara means Paramatma. Veda is born out of Paramatma. Tasmat. Therefore, second line. Therefore, Sarvagatam Brahma, this all-pervading Veda, Brahma means Veda, all-pervading Veda. What is that Veda? Sarvartha Prakashakaha Vedaha. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, all Purusharthas are given in that. How to attain them? How to fulfill all Purusharthas. Sarva, Artha, all Prayojanams. How many Prayojanams? Whatever you want, whoever, whatever they want to get, you can look into Veda. If you go to Veda and Veda Bhashya Bhumika, there are number of books. One ritual for what you want, how to do, how to perform. எல்லாமே கிளியரா சொல்லிருக்க. நமக்கு இப்ப அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது. வீக்லிஸ் தான் தெரியும் நமக்கு. வீக்லி பேப்பர், டெய்லி பேப்பர், இந்த வீக்லி மேகசைன்ஸ் தான் நமக்கு தெரியுமே தவிர அதுல என்னென்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்னு. So it is still available now. All this temple puja is going on still because of that only. So what is evident? See, the temple pujas are going on. Now you can see today night, you want to come and see. The whole up to Dandapani street, people stand in queue. If 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, they will start coming. And tomorrow full day, go on standing. That itself shows. That is the example, evident. What do you want more than this? Where from they are coming, rushing. So many places people are rushing. Deva Yajnam. எப்படி பண்றா பாருங்க. Who is they have studied Veda? Veda ஒன்னும் படிக்கலையே. ஒன்னும் தெரியாது. Still it is surviving. No, that worship, God worship is going on. Throughout the country, throughout the world it is going on. How it is going on? This is called Parampara Praptam. Therefore, Sarvagatam Brahma, all pervading. That itself is Veda is there in Ardham. If you see that queue, I see only Veda is there, not people. Vedathilo sollirukira and Daiva Yajnam I am seeing. Veda is evident there. Veda means not in the books. You are all sitting here and listening means Veda is sitting here. Whatever is Veda, nothing. That sitting you are listening, this is called Brahma Yajnam. What you are doing? Brahma Yajnam, listening about the Veda. Bhagavad Gita is from the Upanishad. Upanishad is from the Veda. In the Upanishad Saram, Veda Saram you are listening. That itself is an evident Veda Sarvagatam. Sarvagatama illaya sollunga ipo. Sarvagatam Brahma. Sarvagatam Veda. Nityam Pratishtitam. It is ever rooted. It is established. Yagne, Daiva Yagne, Brahma Yagne, இப்போ இது யஜ்ஞம் தான். ஞான யஜ்ஞம் we are doing. What யஜ்ஞம்? ஞான யஜ்ஞம். பிரம்ம ஞானத்துக்காக we have come here. This is ஞான யஜ்ஞம். இந்த யஜ்ஞத்துல வேதம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? நித்தியம் இருக்க. எத்தனை வருஷமா சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கேன். How many people are coming and listening? Like this, so many places, so many teachers are teaching. This is what example I am telling. Available example, nearest example. I don't need not go anywhere, some other example. What is the best example? Listening to Bhagavad Gita is Jnana Yajnam, Brahma Yajnam. If in the Brahma Yajnathila Vedam irka illaya idla? Nityama, after going home also, Swamini, your words are only ringing in my ears. Nityam pradishtitama illayo? Nityam pradishtitam. Sarvagatam Brahmana. So Veda is Sarvagatam. Nityam pratishtitam in that yajnam. Any type of yajnam. Deva puja lo yajnam is there. Temple yajnam is there. In your puja room there is yajnam. Taking bath is an yajnam. Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. Deho devalayasya proktaha sajivaha kevala shivaha. Taking bath, washing face, sleeping is also yajnam. But don't sleep here. Because sleeping is also a part of, this taking care of the body. That is yajnam. So Veda is there. Wherever there is yajna, there is a Veda. So we have to understand all these things are very, very subtle. Yatra yatra yajnaha, tatra tatra vedaha. Yatra yatra vedaha, tatra tatra yajnaha. Even if you are feeding your child also, it is a yajnam. Feeding your child, taking care of your child, grandson, granddaughter, grandson, everyone. It is a yajnam. Yatra yatra yajnaha, tatra tatra vedaha. Yatra yatra vedaha, tatra tatra yajnaha. Okay, next shloka. Therefore, the glory of India is not what is the glory of India as preservers of Veda. Indians are the preservers of Veda. We are preserving by propagating, teaching. We are the preservers, not producers. We are not producers of Veda. No human being can produce Veda. The Veda which is already there, we are preserving. That is why this is called Sanatana Dharma. A Vaidika who preserves, the one who preserves Vaidika Dharma is called a Hindu. And now you understand who is Hindu? Even a Christian preserves Veda, he is a Hindu. Hindu means Vaidika Dharma who preserves is called Hindu. If we don't preserve Vedic Dharma by learning, by propagating, by giving, in so many ways we have to help that. In so many ways, whatever way I can help. I can help to that Vedic Dharma by teaching. I can help to that Dharma by contributing money. I can help to that Dharma by propagating, by advertisement, by telling to others. 10 பேருக்கு சொன்னா கூட அது கூட you are working for Vaidika Dharma. In one form or other you have to do. That is called, we are the Hindus. Real Hindus, one who protect the Vaidika Dharma, they are called Hindus. That's why caste is different. Okay, the way of worship is different. Try to understand here. Religion is that which helps a person to mature enough by taking a way of worship. Christianity is a way of worship. Islam is a way of worship. You take any other. Hinduism also is a way of worship, but here there is lot more to understand. The way of worship in the Vaidika Dharma is different. Way of worship, religion is different. That's why we never call Vedic religion. It is not a Vedic religion. This is called Vaidika Dharma for whole humanity. Whatever way of worship you take, doesn't matter. இதுதான் நிறைய பேருக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. Sanatana Dharma is different. Religion is a part in that. Religion is a philosophy. No, you have to go beyond. It is a way of worship. So religion and philosophy you have to. So every religion can take up Vaidika Dharma. Any worship, any god you worship, doesn't matter. Even in Hindus also there are different gods. Worship, no problem. But you cannot deny this chakram. That's what Lord Krishna is going to say in next 16th shloka. Evam pravartitam chakram nanuvartayati hayaham aghayurindriya ramaham mogham partha sajivati. So therefore, when humble way, it is humble enough to accept. Be humble enough to accept this Vedas. No? Don't question. Why I have to follow? Never question. Just with humility you approach to your Veda. Nambinal keduvadillai. You have to believe, have a faith. It will protect you. With humility, go towards yoga, Veda, and study the Shastra, get benefit, be happy. And never waste your time and energy. Evam, in this manner. Evam means in this manner. This beautiful cyclic nature created by Lord. Pravartitam chakram. Chakram means this cycle. Annad bhavanti bhutani parjanyad anna sambhavah. That's chakram. Cycle. Created by Lord. Let us know, take care of it first and get benefit. Okay. Anybody violate this chakram. Na anuvartayati yaha. If they violate, not respecting the Panchabhutas, not recognizing or appreciating this Adhidaivam, Adhibhautikam. Suppose the person eating, getting everything and eating and enjoying. Na anuvartayati chakram. This chakram enna ippadha nadakkiradhu idellame. Never violate the cosmic rules. Never pollute the water, never pollute the air, never destroy the trees, never cut the trees, maintain the forest, maintain the rivers, tanks, lakes, everything. Maintain the sanity of the earth. This chakram we have to maintain forever. Whose sake? Our sake. Ecological balance. இப்போ அந்த பிளாஸ்டிக் கவர்ஸ்னு எப்படி தானே சால்யூபிள் பண்ணணும்னு கஷ்டப்படுறான். Plastic covers a big problem, big menace in the society nowadays. Lot of problem they are getting. Simple, whatever human being invent here, no, ellame problem da. That is why we need not bring any thing, we need not do anything for the nature. Just you protect as it is. அது நம்ம ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். We need not do anything. இருக்கிறது இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கட்டும். Just maintain it properly. Take care of it. அவளது அது பண்ண போதும் நம்ம. We need not do anything. ஏன்னா already harmony is there in the. Similarly, in the physical body also, health you have to maintain. You need not bring the health. Health கொடுத்திருக்கார் பகவான், அது மெயின்டைன் பண்ணணும். அது நாசனம் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா? அதே பாடி ஹெல்த் மாதிரி சோஷியல் ஹார்மனி இஸ் சோஷியல் ஹெல்த். அது இந்த காஸ்மிக் ஹெல்த். இந்த காஸ்மிக் ஹெல்த்னு இந்த வாட்டர், ஃபயர், எர்த், ஆல் தீஸ் திங்ஸ் அந்த அப்படி மெயின்டைன் ஆகணும். இந்த ஃபாரஸ்ட் எல்லாமே மெயின்டைன் ஆகணும். அதுக்கு தான் வீட்டுக்கு ஒரு மரம் அனுப்பி இப்போ வருது திருப்பி எல்லாம் டிஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம். டு த ட்ரீஸ் டு க்ரோ, ஹவு மெனி இயர்ஸ் இட் வில் டேக்? கட்டிங் இதுன்னு ஒன் டே புல்டோசர் வச்சுட்டு அப்படி வந்துடும் ஹோல் ட்ரீ. But how many years it will take to that tree? Like that forest, they are totally destroying. That is why in the tsunami problem, ocean problem, earth problem, ellame global warming. Global warming is coming. Enna pandradhanu ellarum scratching their head. Maintain பண்ணக்கூடாத ப்ராப்பரா பண்ணாமலே இந்த இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் டெக்னாலஜி, all the waste thing they are dumping in the ocean. And the ocean now, the erosions are coming because of that chemicals, all these chemicals they leave into the ocean. Where they will put otherwise? And because of that, the ocean is not able to withstand. That level is coming. Yesterday I went just like that, and the beach said, just I am going, that ocean is really equal to the earth level, as though it is more than, it is higher than me where I am standing. The ocean level is increasing. You go and see, it has increased the level. I have never seen like that. After tsunami I didn't know, because of rain. So it is almost, I do not know how the water is there only. வெளியில வராமல் எப்படி இருக்கான்னு எனக்கே ஆச்சரியமா இருந்தது. It has fully up to that mark. These are all increasing water level and tsunami problems all are coming. என்ன மெயின்டைன் பண்ண தெரியாமலே இதெல்லாம் வேதம்ல சொல்லியிருக்கேன். வேதத்து வரைக்கும் போக வேண்டிய பகவத்கீதா படி ஒழுங்கான்னா. ஏவம் பிரவர்த்திதம் சக்கரம் யஹ ந அனுவர்த்தயதி. whoever, iha means here, in this life, this chakram, dharma chakram, this cosmic cycle, na pravartitam, which is initiated by the Lord. Pravartitam, that is the first line la, this chakram which is given by me, cycle, if anybody is not following, who does not follow otherwise, this is a kevala karmi ninda. He is criticizing, Lord Krishna criticizing a person who is a kevala karmi anna, and the karmani yajnama paakamale ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு ஆக்ஷன். தட் இஸ் வை ஐ யூஸ் டு சே வாக்கிங் கேவல கர்மா, பிரதட்சிணம் கர்ம யோகா. என்ன இது சுவாமினி இப்படி இவ்வளவு டிஃபரன்ஸா? ஆமா, walking in the park is a karma, kevala karma, only to reduce the tummy, to reduce the fat, to reduce the cholesterol. That is also walking. You are getting same thing, health. By walking you are getting health. By pradakshina also you are getting health. But kevala walking, mere walking is a karma. Only just karma, action. That is Bhagavan criticizing. I just am giving a sample example. Like this you take all. இப்போ நியூ இயர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் வந்துன்னா எல்லா ஹோட்டலுக்கு போய் 5-star ஹோட்டலுக்கு போய் சாப்பிடுவான். அது கேவல கர்மா. அதே நீங்க டெம்பிளுக்காக கியூல நின்றுந்த கர்ம யோகா. That is the difference. அதே வாக்கிங் பண்ணும்போது கணிசம் ஜபம் பண்ணின கர்ம யோகா. ஹெல்த் புண்ணியமும் புருஷார்த்தம் ரெண்டு இருக்கு. That's kevala karma, never do. That's why our people, ancestors, they imbibed, they put the yoga in the karma. Bhagavan, Bhagavan, Bhagavan. Remember Bhagavan in every action, it will become karma yoga. That's what Lord Krishna is going to say in 12th chapter. இந்த ஞானம் வரலன்னா விஸ்வரூப தியானம் பண்ணு, விஸ்வரூப தியானம் பண்ண முடியலன்னா ஏகரூப தியானம் பண்ணு, ஏகரூப தியானம் பண்ணலன்னா நிஷ்காம கர்ம பண்ணு, நிஷ்காம கர்ம பண்ணலன்னா சகாம கர்ம பண்ணி எனக்கு பலம் எனக்கு கொடுத்துடு, அட்லீஸ்ட் ரிமெம்பர் மீ அண்ணா. அது கூட முடியலன்னா குட்டு கொடுப்பேன் அண்ணா. ஃபைனல் என்னதான் பண்ண முடியும்? வாட் யூ கேன் டூ அண்ணா. திருடனு மாதிரி சாப்பிட்டு உட்கார்ந்து இருப்பியா அண்ணா? வேண்டாம். பகவான் சேஸ் இஃப் எனிபடி டஸ் லைக் தட் கேவல கர்மா வித்தவுட் காட். தட்ஸ் வை இன் அவர் ஹோல் டெய்லி ஆக்ஷன் இட் செல்ஃப். அன்னம் சாப்பிடும் போது பகவான், குளிக்கும் போது பகவான், கங்கேஜ யமுனையை செய்வா ஏன்னா எல்லாம் பூஜை, அங்கன்யாச கரன்யாசம் எல்லாம் பண்ணி இது எல்லாமே பகவான்னு தான் சொல்லி பண்ணுறோம். இந்த மாதிரி கர்மயோகம் பண்ணலன்னா யாராவது சும்மா நியூ இயர் மாத்திரம் சாப்பிட்டே இருந்தான்னா, பொங்கல் வருது நல்ல பொங்கல் சாப்பிட்றேன் அது சாப்பிட்றேன்னு பூஜை பண்ணாமல் ஏதாவது பண்ண அகாயுஹு இந்திரியாராமஹா. தட் பர்சன் இஸ் அகாயுஹு. அகாயுஹு மீன்ஸ் பாப ஜீவனம். ஹி இஸ் லீடிங் ஏ சின்ஃபுல் லைஃப். ஆயுஹு அன்ன லைஃப், அகா மீன்ஸ் பாபம். A person who violates all these Panchamaha Yajnas, involving the God in his actions, if he is not doing, he is leading a sinful life. Ayuhu means Jeevanam, Agha means Papam, Papa Jeevanam. Edukku Papa Jeevanam? Yenna Indriya Ramaha. Enjoying throughout night TV program. உட்கார்ந்து பகவான் இல்லை புது சம்வத்சரம் வருது கொஞ்சம் ப்ரேயர் பண்ண இல்லை. ஜனானாம் வரி ஜனவரி என்ன, ஜனவரி என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமோ? புது வருஷம் எப்படி வர இருக்க போறதோ எப்படி இருக்க போறதோ, இங்கே வரி ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுது. ஃபியூச்சர் பிளான் என்ன, ஃபியூச்சர் வரி ஆயிடுது. அந்த ஜனானாம் வரி இஸ் கால்டு ஜனவரி என்ன சுவாமிஜி சேஸ். என்ன பகவான் ஞாபகப்படுத்தினா, ரிமெம்பர் பகவான், நியூ இயர் இஸ் கோயிங் டு கம். Please bless me with good health. All to my family, to society. ஏன்னா எங்கேயோ சுனாமி வந்தா எங்கேயோ எர்த்குவேக் வந்தா எனக்கு ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லையோ. எகெயின் ஸ்கேர்சிட்டி, ஃபுட் ப்ராப்ளம், எவ்ரிதிங், ஷேர் மார்க்கெட் டவுன், எல்லா ப்ராப்ளம் தான். ஸோ எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்கணும். அதுக்கு தான் சஹ இந்திரியா ராமஹா மீன்ஸ் சென்சுவல் பர்சன் அர்த்தம். இந்திரியைஹி ஆரமணம், இந்திரியாராமஹா. Mogham sa jivati. That person life he lives, jivati means he lives. What? Mogham jivati. His life is waste. Is it? Life is in vain. He lives in vain. Vridha. No use of such a person. Mogham anna waste an artham. Vridha, useless, meaningless, purposeless. Burdensome anna, purposeless illa, burdensome to bhumi mata. That's why human beings, saksharaha, these educated people, if they are not cultured, culture இல்லைன்னா education இருக்கு, culture இல்லைன்னு என்ன ஆகும் தெரியுமோ? சாக்ஷராக மீன்ஸ் லிட்டரேட், படிச்சினவன் அர்த்தம். சாக்ஷராக அக்ஷரம்னா படிக்கணவன், அக்ஷரம்னா எஜுகேஷன். சா அக்ஷராக மீன்ஸ் எஜுகேட்டட் பீப்புள். அவனுக்கு கல்ச்சர் இல்லைன்னா ராட்சசன் ஆயிடுவான். சாக்ஷரான்னு திருப்பி போட்டா ராட்சசா. கல்ச்சர் இல்லைன்னா ஈவன் அவர் சில்ட்ரன் ஆல்சோ, இஃப் யூ கிவ் ஓன்லி மியர் எஜுகேஷன் வித்தவுட் கல்ச்சர், they will become rakshasas. கல்ச்சர் கொடுக்கணும், கல்ச்சர் கூட எஜுகேஷன் வரணும். நம்முடைய பகவான் மியூசிக்கு டான்ஸ் எல்லாம் கல்ச்சர்னு பகவான் இருக்கணும். அதில் அது இருந்தால் இந்த எஜுகேஷன் இட் வில் நாட் டிஸ்டர்ப் த பர்சன். அதுதான் மோகம் சஜீவதேன. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா, 17th ஸ்லோகா. யஸ்த்வாத்மரதிரேவ ஸ்யாத் ஆத்மத்ருப்தஸ்ச மானவஹ ஆத்மன்யேவ ச சந்துஷ்டஹ tasya karyam na vidyate. Now Lord Krishna is talking about the Jnani. 17th and 18th shlokas. The essence of Jnana Yoga he is giving. Or we can take it as Karma Yoga Phalam. Karma Yoga Phalam. In your action, if God involves in every action, remembering God. God involves means what? You cannot carry Krishna all the time with you. பொம்மை எடுத்துட்டு போக வேண்டாம். இது எல்லாமே பகவானுக்காக பண்றேன். பகவான் will take care of. Bhagavan is in everything taking care of me. Saying his name, remembering him without any raga dvesha. So without never have any, this is good, this is bad. Rain is good or bad? Dukkha hetu or sukha hetu rain? Don't say sukha hetu illa, dukkha hetu illa. Varadu avada rain. அதுதான் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி இல்லாமல் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டியோடு இருக்கிறது. வெயில் காலம் வருது, துக்க ஹேத்துவா சுக ஹேத்துவா? இஸ் இட் காஸ் ஃபார் ஹாப்பினஸ் ஆர் இஸ் இட் காஸ் ஃபார் பெயின்? சொல்லாது. டோன்ட் சே திஸ் ஹவுஸ் இஸ் காஸ் ஃபார் துக்கா ஆர் சுகா. நோ, ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு சே. டோன்ட் சே. துக்க காரணம் అని சொன்னாலும் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி, இது சுக காரணம் అని சொன்னாலும் ஜீவ சிருஷ்டி. அது என்னோட பார்வையில தான் இருக்கு. புரியுறதா? இந்த ரெயின் துக்கம் என்ன, எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் வேலை இருக்கு அதனால. சில பேருக்கு எனக்கு நான் ஃபீல்டுக்கு வேணும் இப்போ அர்ஜென்ட், அவனுக்கு சுகஹேத்து. அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. அதனால பகவான் கொடுத்துருக்காரு. வெயில் காலமாகட்டும், எந்த காலமானாலும், மழை ஆகட்டும், வீடு ப்ராப்ளமா, இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் அந்த ப்ராப்ளம், எய்தர் பை இட் செல்ஃப் நோ ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இன் த வேர்ல்ட் எய்தர் சுக காரணம் ஆர் துக்க காரணம். தட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி. So alignment with Ishvara Srishti, if I have that vision, no object in the world, my wife is dukkha karanam or sukha karanam, our husband is dukkha karanam or sukha karanam, mamiyar is dukkha karanam or sukha karanam, neutral. Idu Ishvara Srishti mixed with sukha and dukkha. I don't want to judge. இதுதான் ஈஸ்வர அலைன்மெண்ட் வித் ஈஸ்வரா. நிம்மதி. நெவர் சே வெயில் வருது வருது வருதுன்னு சொல்லாதுங்க, மழை வருது வருது வரல வரலன்னு கூட சொல்லாதுங்க. மழை வரணும், வந்து தானே போதும் சொல்லுங்க, அவ்வளவுதான். நோ இரிட்டேஷன், நோ கிரம்பிளிங், நோ மர்மரிங், நோ கம்ப்ளைண்ட் ஆன் எனி பர்சன். நோ ஒன் இஸ் துக்க காரணம், நோ ஒன் இஸ் சுக காரணம். Our mind alone is sukha karanam, our mind alone is dukkha karanam. Ishvara Srishti by itself is wonderful. அப்போ ஈஸ்வர சிருஷ்டி வண்டர்ஃபுல் எப்படி புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுன்னா, படி பகவத்கீதா அப்படி புரியும். So Lord Krishna says Jnani is one having practiced karma yoga and got jnanam by studying shastra length of time. Why people are confused? Maximum people, why problem? They do not know what is the ultimate goal. They do not know ultimate goal. Why they do not know? They have no humility towards Shastra. Humility towards Shastra irundha naan Shastram padikkanum aasha varum. Aasha vanda I will go to Guru. If I go to Guru, my Guru will teach. My Guru teach, my Ajnanam will go. When my Ajnanam goes, I am happy. Truptaha, he says here, see. Yaha tu manavaha. Here another person. There the previous sloka who violated that chakram, pravartitam chakram, he violated. But a person who follows karma yoga, upasana yoga and come to jnanam, attain jnanam, this person, manavaha, he is an intelligent person who yaha atmaratihi eva syat. The one who is reveling in the self alone, Atmaniyeva Ratihi, is the reveler. No? Revel in the Atma only. Na Vishayeshu. He never revel in Bhoga Vishayas. He revel in Atma. That person only Atma Truptaha, Santushtaha, Atmanieva. Because that person who revels in Atma, how he can revel? By self-knowledge. How self-knowledge comes? Go to Guru and study. Once you get self-knowledge, reveling in the self-knowledge, okay, if I revel in self-knowledge instead of all worldly objects, what is the benefit? It says, Atma Santushtaha, Truptaha Bhavati. Santushtaha, Atma Ratihi, that gives Trupti, that Trupti gives Santosha. Atma Rati means reveling in Atma, I am that Brahman. That reveling in Atma gives Trupti, completeness. That completeness gives Santosha, Santushtaha. Because of Atmani eva Santushtaha. Anandam. Na vidyate tasya karyam. Avanukku panda vendiyadi onnum kadiyadu. He is having nothing to do to acquire something else. That we'll see more in the next class. It's a very, very important shloka. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.